Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our exciting updates. Today, we've got something really special for you all, a giveaway that's perfect for anyone looking to dive into the world of trading. We know many of you are eager to learn trading and start making money, and we want to help kickstart your journey. That's why we're giving away one free private lesson to 3 lucky winners. That's right, a one-on-one session where you can learn directly from a professional trader. Participating is super easy. All you have to do is leave a comment below this video answering one simple question. Why do you want to learn trading and start making money? Whether you're looking to build your financial independence or you're curious about how the markets work, we want to hear your story. Yes, it's that straightforward. Imagine the thrill of seeing your name announced as one of the 3 lucky winners. This giveaway runs from the 1st of May to the 7th of May, so make sure to get your comments in during this week. We'll be reading through your responses and selecting 3 winners based on the most thoughtful and inspiring answers. So, what are you waiting for? Drop your comment right now. We can't wait to read about your aspirations and why you're excited to learn about trading. It's your chance to take that first big step towards mastering the markets with a personal trading coach. It could be the start of a journey where you're no longer just watching from the sidelines, but actively participating in the financial world. Winners will be announced right here on our channel, so stay tuned. Remember, trading can be a path to financial success, and with the right guidance, you're setting yourself up for some amazing possibilities. Don't forget to like this video if you're excited about the giveaway and share it with friends who might also be interested in learning to trade. Until next time, keep aiming for your financial goals. See you in the comments. Good luck, everybody.